ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Keterangan election berketerangan Pule Putih, jangka sorkar jela, akan diri uluber arjar pusau. Kerja soy kasas sekolah ya sotu jengmut, berpenterekam dekat electoral literacy club. Kena penderung kerteng ke Samla Pule ke belakang jo, ya kerta ke bakal prasnam, begini yo ke electoral photo identity card, syua bakari India berok kawai, kan saki ke jempelong, ya ke election Lok Sabha ke Bansalong Shan hakari berok kawai. Ya kasas sekolah ya sotu jengmut, belaya soy Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela Dr. BDR Tiwari, Director ke School Education and Literacy, Uswab Nil Tembe, kedai ke belah hak dekat Election Commission of India, kena bagi Samla, ke belakang jo kat prasnam kerta, kena bagi niyo ekalat banjir di ekonomi kemat syaka parliament.
We want to send this message to all the children, especially from the higher schools, higher education, secondary schools level, that democracy, we are the most, the biggest and vibrant democracy. So that message should seep into the syllabus, and that's one of the pointers of the MOU, that the syllabus includes that. And we formed these electoral club. As a DC, I have served for 4 years, and I remember we interacted with so many ELCs, and we tried to form as many ELCs, but that was being pushed from the district level. And now, since the MOU is there, we will make sure that it is monitored from the state level, and more ELCs are formed, mostly in the secondary level schools, and we saturate that so that the message goes. Another very important point in the MOU is that the students who turn 18, they should immediately get the voter ID. So that's a very good initiative, because again, I remember from the field that mostly in 18 to 19, that age cohort, there's a lot of missing voters are there. So I think all those points make a great collaboration between the two departments, and we'll work together to improve all these parameters.
Election Commission of India, in view of forthcoming Lok Sabha election 2024, for the larger participation from different end, especially to create larger awareness among the young voters. So they have come up with an idea to activate the electoral literacy clubs at higher scale. So they made a provision for signing up MOU of the state chief electoral officer's office and the education department. So all these electoral literacy clubs are there in the higher educational institution or in the higher secondary school colleges. So mostly in all those schools we are targeting to have electoral literacy clubs, which is a very old concept and still functional, but some are just not very proactive or functional in reality on the ground. So there are the certain provisions made, and this MOU is provision has been made. So ECI has instructed to all the states for doing this MOU. So in process of that, Meghalaya is also going to sign one MOU with the education department. So the space etc. for the ELC in the college, it will be provided from the end of college, and all other awareness activity will be done in the coordination with the election, and there are the club will be set up. So teachers and faculty will be the nodal person, young students will participate. So I am very thankful to education department for agreeing to this proposal, and this matter was a bit pending, but once we met to sir and today only, then he insisted, let this MOU be signed by today. So on behalf of CEO officer, I am very, very thankful to you and your team for giving your kind consent, and we are here at the table to sign this MOU. The same draft is there. Front page will be remain the same. Front page will remain the same.
Additional drop. Ada peserta.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. एक बार ऐसे करके ओपनिंग दिस वन, क्योंकि इसी के साथ उसने लिखा हुआ कुछ नेगेटिव लुकिंग लाइक दैट, इट विल बी लाइक दैट.